Hi friends, today we are gonna share with you all a very tempting French breakfast recipe, egg casserole. This is very easy microwave breakfast recipe and also it is very scrumptious. Your kids will be loved it. So friends, if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the updates. So, casserole has French origin, which means a large and deep pan or bowl used for cooking a variety of dishes in the oven. The same pan is often used both for cooking and for serving. Just to let you know that the world's famous Italian cuisine, lasagna, is also a casserole dish. Egg casserole can be cooked with various types of meats and veggies. This is one of those recipes you can add ingredients as per your choice without changing the integrity of the dish. Okay, now let's move on to the recipe. We have taken 2 capsicums and 2 onions thinly sliced. First we will saute the veggies, so heat the pan and drizzle some refined or vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, first goes in the sliced onions. We will saute this on medium heat. Adding some salt as per taste. Saute the onions until it is little softer. Next goes in sliced capsicum. Saute this again on medium heat. Sprinkle some freshly crushed black pepper powder and mix it all together very well. We are frying these onions and capsicum for about 2 minutes. Don't want to overcook them as we want this to be nice and crisp. Turn off the gas. Now first you have to select the right utensil, which should be oven proof of course, and also it should be like this flat and also have some depth like this. As we are gonna do this in microwave, so we have taken that kind of safe utensil. It is a moderate flat with around 2 inch of depth in it. So next you have to brush some butter in it. Don't forget to brush the side walls. Now take a large bowl and crack 4 large eggs in it. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper powder. And whisk it well. Here we are using the electric blender. If you do not have this, don't worry. You can use a fork to blend the eggs well. Whisk it well until it is a bit fluffy. We are done now. Now put the sauteed veggies into the buttered pan and spread it evenly. And then slowly pour the beaten eggs into this. Place it in the oven and microwave this for 3 minutes. Once it is done, take it out carefully and put some cheese slices on the top of it. Here we are using cheese slices, but you can add grated mozzarella cheese if you want. But personally we feel that the cheese slices gives a better texture to this dish, and also the soft cheese slices melts evenly. Place it in the oven and microwave this for a minute until the cheese melts. You can see it is done now. The cheese slices melted perfectly and it looks yum. Season it with some freshly crushed black pepper powder. And here you go, your egg casserole is ready to be served. Just cut out the required slices from the casserole and enjoy. You can enjoy it in your breakfast with a slice of toast along with this as well. So, isn't it a super delicious and tempting too? Give it a try at home and do let us know. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned.